Looking for double door refrigerators? Here's Amazon Prime Day deals just for you. At any time, just click this banner and get real-time deals on your favorite products. Number 1, by Whirlpool. Our editor choice. Number 2, another great product by Whirlpool. A great deal you shouldn't miss, by Amazon. Number 3, by LG. Check the link below for exclusive Amazon Prime prices. Number 4, amazing Prime Day deal. Number 5, by Godrej. A great deal you shouldn't miss. Number 6, by Bosch. Shop for Amazon Prime special deals. Number 7, by Godrej. Available now on Amazon. Number 8, by Bosch. This is one of many great products we got in store for you. Number 9, by LG. Get these great online deals now. Click this link for real-time deals and updates. Number 10. Now on an amazing Amazon Prime Day price.